You are?
You see? It's blue. It's not blue. It's purple. It's white. It's orange.
We are working on 2020 CLA 250. We are doing multiple things. We are doing ambient lights on the dashboard, door panels, multicolors under the dash, under the seat, and also a drone with a monitoring service, front and back. The first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna take the air vents out. These just prise off. They are clips. I already have it out. You just start it from the bottom, pull this up. No special trick. As you can see, these metal clips there, and you just force it out, it comes out. So we got both sides out. We're gonna run the wires on the part of it in between the cracks, just like the factory ones, and also door panels as well. We're gonna take the cluster display out. On the back of it, there's a torx number 20 screws there. I believe there are 2 of them. Let me see if I can get the close view. And that's the screw we took out. Shoot, another one on this corner. On the back of the display part of it. The reason we are taking it out is not only we're going to run the fiber optic cable, but we're also going to put the module behind it. Alright, so what you're going to do is once you have the screws out, carefully pry upward, and that should pop out the display screen. We did one before, and that's how we got it out. So no more screws on this middle part of it? No? Let's see. Okay. So we got that entire screen out. So the screen comes out fairly simple. Let me turn this car off. Okay. And you're just gonna unplug that. And a couple of plugs here. Actually 3 plugs. 2 plugs. The entire screen comes out. And you can run the wires. It has a little gap between the wood grain to the dashboard, so you just wedge in between. Run it all the way through. We're gonna take this center dash out to get to the ignition, which is a lighter plug here. We're also gonna run ambient lights in between this crack right here. To get to it, on this one here, okay, you pry this each corners, but to clear this little tab right here, you gotta push them inward. So let's say it comes out. It won't come out because these tab is here, so you got to push them inward, then pull the whole thing out. No special trick. You just got to pull up, then you push these 2 clips right here. I guess that's for the armrest door. So you just push inward, and this comes out like that. We have 2 torx screws here. Looks like a torx number 20. Remove them. that.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And let's see. Okay, so after you get these two screws out, next step is to remove this. This just pops out. No special trick. Underneath, you'll see 3 screws there also.
Okay.
So we got these 3 screws out.
Okay.
Alright, so next step is once you have these 2 screws out, pop this cover off, 3 screws out, you just pry this out, and now you can access the lighter plug. Just like any other Mercedes Benz, this lighter plug, everybody think it's gonna pull out, you're gonna break it. Rather, it comes out sideways, not down. So you just pull this way. So again, if you pull out this way downward, you will break the lighter plug. So don't pull down, pull sideways out like that. Alright, so we ran ambient lights in between this crack right here, all the way up like this. If there is enough space, it goes straight in like that. This is a 2020 CLA 250. We are doing an ambient lights here. You gotta take the door panel apart. Door comes apart fairly simple. There's a 1 screw under this silver handle here, another one on the bottom side here. Those are torx number 30. Starting from the bottom, we have it out. You pull and lift up. Then this thing here, you slide out, pull, then release. I got these plugs out. There are 2 plugs on this module. They are color coded. So whatever the color matches, plugs in. See, there's a black, gray, different color coded on this each plug. So match the plug to the colors, and that's it. And we're gonna run the wires through this so we can do an ambient light. Ricky came up with a great idea. Since we're gonna have to run the rod, he's gonna run this tube, 1/4-inch tube, so you can run the fiberglass wire through this tubing. He said it'll work better than just tying the tape at the end and pull. So let's see how that works out. So he's trying to run that 1/4-inch tube out to the door jamb right there and run down through the grommet. Let's see how that works out. So it was kind of tight, but he managed to put this 1/4-inch tubing so he can simply just run the fiberglass rod just like that. And then it comes out to here. Comes down to here. Great idea. And he pulls out the end. Now the rod is down here. That goes to the LED, and this we're gonna run it over to the door panel. Great idea.
Yes.
My idea though. We made a hole here, another hole on the other side. Right, this is a passenger side rear door. To get to it, you pop out this pillow here, bead pillow they call it. And then there is a little clip there. You're gonna pull that upward like that and release that plug. So once you unplug it, now inside there are locking tabs right here on the top, and you push inward and that comes out like that. The reason that we are taking that out is in order to run the fiberglass cable, we have to make a hole. Now this, you just undo it if you look in here, the copper pins, there are no connections there. So we are making a hole on one of these empty ones and run the fiberglass rod through it. To do that, you're gonna have to release this thing here. We're gonna show you how you can do it. In here where the grommet is, there is a little tab. You push that upward, then pull down. So otherwise, there is a little lever this way. You pull up and push this backward, and that releases this. Again, if you look in here, there is a plastic piece going across this way. You pull up, that will release this inner plug, and you can get this plug out. So if you look on the back here, as you can see, in the middle, two big ones here, there's nothing here. So we're gonna run the fiberglass rod through that, making the hole a little bit larger, because that's empty hole, but it's not quite large enough. Now in here, let me get the flashlight. This is back of the door panel. This inner plug, you gotta separate it because we want to make a hole where the empty spot is, right about at my fingertip. To make a hole, you're gonna have to separate this front piece from the back piece. To do that, you need a screwdriver, flat screwdriver. You just simply pry that outer ways, and that will separate the front piece to the back piece. Let's do that. You simply just separate the front and back piece. It just comes apart.
Oh. Wait.
So we slid, well actually you pull and pull away from the corner like that to separate it. Like that. So once you remove that back panel, now you can access the hole, that empty hole is right there. We're gonna make a hole a little bit larger on both sides. This one and that one, and a fiberglass rod goes through here, out to here, goes in here, goes into the door, and this is driver's side. That's how we got it through. So once you have it, and you have lengths, whatever the lengths you need to run the wire, this fiberglass rod into the door panel. Make a tiny hole on this corner so you can run the rod through it. I'll show you on the other side. That's where the rod goes through, on this corner right here.
Let me finish up here. Finish up here.
about the dashboard and the doors.
Yellow, green.
Okay. Change the colors. Change the bottom one too. You are?
You see? It's blue. It's not blue. It's purple. It's white. It's orange.